Hi there, it's Teacher Daisy. One. The marks of 10 students in a quiz are 12, 15, 18, 12, 20, 18, 22, 25, 18, 12. What is the mode of the data? A. 12. B. 18. C. 12 and 18. D. 20. Answer. C. 12 and 18. Step 1. Mode is the number that appear most frequently in the data. Step 2. Count frequency of each score. 12 appears 3 times. 15 appears 1 time. 18 appears 3 times. 20 appears 1 time. 22 appears 1 time. 25 appears 1 time. Step 3. Both 12 and 18 appear most often 3 times each. Therefore, the data is bimodal, and the modes are 12 and 18. 2. Which number does not belong in the group? 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 45. A. 16. B. 25. C. 36. D. 45. Answer. D. 45. Step 1. Observe the pattern of the numbers. 4 equals 2 squared. 9 equals 3 squared. 16 equals 4 squared. 25 equals 5 squared. 36 equals 6 squared. These numbers are all perfect squares. Step 2. Check the remaining number, which is 45. 45 is not a perfect square because there is no whole number that can be multiplied by itself to get 45. Therefore, the number that does not belong in the group is 45. 3. A rectangular box has a length of 5 meters, width of 4 meters, and height of 3 meters. What is its volume? A. 12 cubic meters. B. 60 cubic meters. C. 24 cubic meters. D. 15 cubic meters. Answer. B. 60 cubic meters. Step 1. Volume of a rectangular box equals length times width times height. Step 2. Substitute values. 4 times 3 equals 20 times 3 equals 60. Therefore, the volume of the box is 60 cubic meters. Choice B. 4. Maria spent 1/3 of her salary on food, 1/4 on transportation, and 1/6 on utilities. If she still had Philippine peso 1,200 left, how much was her total salary? A. 3,600. B. 4,800. C. 5,400. D. 6,000. Answer. B. 4,800. Step 1. Add the fractions spent. 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/6 equals 3/4. Step 2. The remaining fraction is 1 minus 3/4 equals 1/4. Step 3. If 1/4 equals 1,200 pesos, then the full salary is 1,200 pesos times 4 equals 4,800 pesos. Therefore, her total salary is 4,800 pesos. 5. If 12 workers can finish a job in 15 days, how many days will it take 20 workers to finish the same job, assuming work rate is inversely proportional to number of workers? A. 8 days. B. 9 days. C. 10 days. D. 11 days. Answer. B. 9 days. Let the W equals to work and D is equals to days. Step 1. Use the inverse proportion formula. W sub 1 times D sub 1 equals W sub 2 times D sub 2. Step 2. Substitute the values. 12 times 15 equals 20 times D sub 2. Step 3. Simplify. 180 equals 20 times D sub 2. Step 4. Solve. D sub 2 equals 180 divided by 20, which equals 9. Therefore, it will take 20 workers 9 days to finish the job. 6. Which of the following fractions is equal to 0.875 in decimal form? A. 3/5, B. 7/8, C. 5/6, D. 9/16. Answer: B. 7/8. Step 1. To convert a fraction into a decimal, divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2. 3 divided by 5 equals 0.6. Step 3. 7 divided by 8 equals 0.875. Step 4. 5 divided by 6 is approximately 0.8333. Step 5. 9 divided by 16 equals 0.5625. Therefore, the correct fraction equal to 0.875 is 7/8. 7. A small stationery shop sells notebooks N, pens P, and erasers EE. You are told 1. 3 notebooks cost the same as 5 pens. 2. 4 pens cost the same as 2 erasers. 3. 1 notebook costs Philippine peso 6 less than 1 eraser. What is the price of 1 pen P? A. 6 pesos. B. 12 pesos. C. 18 pesos. D. 24 pesos. Answer: C. 18 pesos. Step 1. Translate the statements into equations. 3 notebooks cost the same as 5 pens, so 3n equals 5p, or n equals 5/3 p. 4 pens cost the same as 2 erasers, so 4p equals 2e, or e equals 2p. 1 notebook costs 6 pesos less than 1 eraser, so n equals e minus 6. Step 2. Substitute the expressions for n and e in terms of p. 5/3 p equals 2p minus 6. Step 3. Bring the terms together. 5/3 p minus 2p equals -6. Compute carefully. 5/3 p minus 6/3 p equals -1/3 p dot. So, -1/3 p equals -6, therefore, p equals 18. Step 4. Check the answer. If p equals 18, then e equals 2p, which is 30-6. N equals e minus 6, which is 30. Check. 3n equals 90, and 5p equals 90. Correct. Final answer. 1 pen costs 18 pesos. 8. The length of a rectangle is 12 meters, and its width is 8 meters. What is its area? A. 80 square meters. B. 88 square meters. C. 90 square meters. D. 96 square meters. Answer: D. 96 square meters. Step 1. Recall the formula for the area of a rectangle. A equals L times W, where A is the area, L is the length, and W is the width. Step 2. Substitute the values. A equals 12 times 8. Step 3. Multiply. A equals 96. Step 4. Attach the unit. A equals 96 square meters. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 96 square meters. 9. If 5 workers can build a wall in 12 days, How many days will it take 10 workers to build the same wall, assuming they work at the same rate? A. 3 days. B. 6 days. C. 12 days. D. 24 days. Answer. B. 6 days. Step 1. This is a case of inverse proportion. More workers mean fewer days. Step 2. Use the formula. Workers sub 1 times days sub 1 equals workers sub 2 times days sub 2. Step 3. Substitute the values. 5 times 12 equals 10 times days sub 2. Step 4. Simplify. 60 equals 10 times days sub 2. Step 5. Solve. Days sub 2 equals 60 divided by 10, which equals 6. Therefore, 10 workers can finish the work in 6 days. 10. A train 180 meters long passes a person standing on a platform in 9 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometers per hour. A. 60 kilometers per hour. B. 64 kilometers per hour. C. 68 kilometers per hour. D. 72 kilometers per hour. Answer. D. 72 kilometers per hour. Step 1. Recall the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Step 2. Substitute the given values. The distance is 180 meters, and the time is 9 seconds. Speed equals 180 divided by 9, which equals 20 meters per second. Step 3. Convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. Multiply by 3.6. 20 times 3.6 equals 72 kilometers per hour. Final answer: 72 kilometers per hour. Concept recap. When a train passes a person or a pole, the distance covered is the length of the train. To convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, multiply by 3.6. If a train passes another train or a platform, the total distance covered is the sum of both lengths. Study tip: focus on what the train covers. If it passes a person or a pole, use only the train's length. If it passes a platform or another train, add both lengths together. 11. A sum of Philippine peso 10,000 is lent at 6% per annum, simple interest for 2 years and 6 months. How much interest will it earn? A. 1,500 pesos. B. 1,400 pesos. C. 1,600 pesos. D. 1,650 pesos. Answer. A. 1,500 pesos. Step 1. Convert the time to years. 2 years and 6 months equals 2 plus 6 over 12, which equals 2.5 years. Step 2. Recall the simple interest formula. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time divided by 100. Step 3. Substitute the given values. Simple interest equals 10,000 times 6 times 2.5 divided by 100, which equals 1,500. Final answer. The interest earned is 1,500 pesos. Study tip: always convert months to years in simple interest problems. Simple interest is calculated only on the principal, not on the accumulated interest. Quick check: 10,000 times 6 divided by 100 equals 600 pesos per year. For 2.5 years, 600 times 2.5 equals 1,500 pesos. 12. The mean of 6 numbers is 42, and 5 of the numbers are 35, 40, 44, 46, and 48. What is the 6th number? A. 37. B. 39. C. 41. D. 43. Answer: B. 39. Step 1. Start with the formula for the mean. Mean equals the total sum divided by the number of items. Substitute the given values. 42 equals the total sum divided by 6. Step 2. Find the total sum. Since 6 is dividing the total sum, multiply 42 by 6. 42 times 6 equals 252. So the total sum of the 6 numbers is 252. Step 3. Add the 5 given numbers. 35 plus 40 plus 44 plus 46 plus 48 equals 213. Step 4. Find the 6th number. Subtract the sum of the 5 given numbers from the total sum. 252 minus 213 equals 13.9. Therefore, the 6th number is 13.9. So the total sum of the 6 numbers is 252. 13. Find the next number in the series. 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5. A. 20. B. 25. C. 30. D. 36. Answer: B. 25. Step 1. Separate the series into 2 interleaved sequences. The odd position terms are 2, 3, 4, and 5, increasing by 1 each time. The even position terms are 4, 9, 16, and the missing number. These are perfect squares: 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and 5 squared. Step 2. Determine the next term. Since the missing term is in an even position, continue the perfect square sequence. 5 squared equals 25. Final answer: the next number in the series is 25. Study tip. For alternating sequences, split the series into 2 subsequences. Identify the pattern in each arithmetic progression, squares, cubes, etc. Always check the position of the term you need odd, even to know which subsequence it belongs to. 14. A man borrows Philippine peso 12,000 at a rate of 5% per annum simple interest. How much interest will he pay after 3 years? A. 1,600 pesos. B. 1,800 pesos. C. 1,900 pesos. D. 2,000 pesos. Answer: B. 1,800 pesos. Step 1. Recall the simple interest formula. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time, divided by 100, where the principal is 12,000 pesos, the rate is 5%, the time is 3 years. Step 2. Calculate. Simple interest equals 12,000 times 5 times 3, divided by 100. This equals 180,000 divided by 100, which equals 1,800. Therefore, the interest to be paid 1,800. 15. Solve for x. 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 plus 5 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 7. A. 5. B. 5.6. C. 6. D. 7. Answer: B. 5.6. Start with the equation. 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 plus 5 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 7. Step 1. Distribute 4 on the left side. 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 equals 8x minus 12. So the equation becomes 8x minus 12 plus 5 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 7. Step 2. Distribute 3 on the right side. 3 times the quantity x plus 7 equals 3x plus 21. So the equation becomes 8x minus 12 plus 5 equals 3x plus 21. Step 3. Combine like terms on the left side. Negative 12 plus 5 equals negative 7. So the equation becomes 8x minus 7 equals 3x plus 21. Step 4. Transfer 3x to the left side. When a positive term is transferred to the other side, it becomes negative. So the equation becomes 8x minus 3x minus 7 equals 21. 5x minus 7 equals 21. Step 5. Transfer negative 7 to the right side. When a negative number is transferred to the other side, it becomes positive. So the equation becomes 5x equals 21 plus 7. 5x equals 28. Step 6. Divide both sides by 5. Since 5 is multiplied by x, divide both sides by 5 to get the value of x. X equals 28 divided by 5. X equals 5.6. Therefore, the value of x is 5.6. 16. A prize of 4,800 pesos is divided among 3 friends in the ratio of 2:3:5. How much does the friend with the largest share receive? A. 1,440 pesos. B. 1,920 pesos. C. 2,400 pesos. D. 2,800 pesos. Answer. C. 2,400 pesos. Step 1. Write the ratio. 2:3:5. Step 2. Find the total number of parts. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10. Therefore, the total number of parts is 10. Step 3. Find the value of one part. The value of one part equals 4,800 divided by 10. 4,800 divided by 10 equals 480. Therefore, each part is worth 480 pesos. Step 4. Find the largest share. The largest share corresponds to 5 parts. 5 times 480 equals 2,400. Therefore, the friend with the largest share receives 2,400 pesos. 17. When 5 is added to twice a number, the result is 23. What is the number? A. 7, B. 9, C. 10, D. 11. Answer. B. 9. Step 1. Translate the sentence into an equation. Twice a number means 2x. 5 is added to twice a number means 2x plus 5. The result is 23 means equals 23. So the equation is 2x plus 5 equals 23. Step 2. Isolate the variable term. Subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 23 minus 5. Simplify. 2x equals 18. Step 3. Solve for x. Divide both sides by 2. The coefficient of x. 2x divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 2. X equals 9. Step 4. Check your answer. Substitute x equals 9 into the equation. 2 times 9 plus 5 equals 18 plus 5, which equals 23. Correct? Step 5. Concept review. This is a linear equation in one variable, written in the form ax plus b equals c. To solve, subtract b from both sides to get ax equals c minus b. Then divide both sides by a to get x equals the quantity c minus b. Divided by a. Shortcut check. X equals the quantity 23 minus 5, divided by 2, which equals 18 divided by 2, or 9. Final answer. The number is 9. 18. If 5 notebooks cost Philippine peso 120, how much will 8 notebooks cost same rate? A. 180 pesos. B. 185 pesos. C. 190 pesos. D. 192 pesos. Answer: D. 192 pesos. Step 1. Since more notebooks mean more cost, this is a direct proportion. Step 2. Set up the ratio. 5 is to 120, as 8 is to x. Step 3. Cross multiply. 5x equals 8 times 120. Step 4. Simplify. 5x equals 960. Step 5. Solve for x. X equals 960 divided by 5, which equals 192. Therefore, 8 notebooks cost Philippine peso 192. 19. A bus travels 180 kilometers at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and then travels another 120 kilometers at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour. How long does the entire trip take? A. 5 hours. E. 6 hours. C. 7 hours. D. 8 hours. Answer: E. 6 hours. Step 1. Recall the formula. Time equals distance divided by speed. Step 2. Find the time for the first part of the trip. Time equals 180 divided by 60. 180 divided by 60 equals 3. So, the first part of the trip takes 3 hours. Step 3. Find the time for the second part of the trip. Time equals 120 divided by 40. 120 divided by 40 equals 3. So, the second part of the trip also takes 3 hours. Step 4. Add the travel times. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Therefore, the entire trip takes 6 hours. 20. Solve for x. 4x plus 7 equals 31. A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: B. 6. Step 1. Start with the equation. 4x plus 7 equals 31. Step 2. Subtract 7 from both sides. 4x equals 24. Step 3. Divide both sides by 4. Equals 24 divided by 4, which equals 6. Step 4. We solve for x because x represents the unknown value that makes the equation true. Therefore, the value of x is 6. 21. A water tank contains 2.5 cubic meters of water. How many liters of water does the tank contain? A. 1,500 liters. B. 2,000 liters. C. 2,500 liters. D. 3,000 liters. Answer: C. 2,500 liters. Step 1. Recall the conversion factor. 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters. Step 2. Multiply 2.5 by 1,000. 2.5 times 1,000 equals 2,500. So, the tank contains 2,500 liters. Therefore, the correct answer is 2,500 liters. 22. A total of 1,584 candies are to be equally packed into 12 boxes. How many candies will each box contain? A. 124. B. 132. C. 138. D. 144. Answer: B. 132. Step 1. Set up the division. The number of candies per box equals the total number of candies divided by the number of boxes. 1,584 divided by 12 equals 132. Final answer: 132. Tip: Use long division step by step for accuracy. Verify your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor. For example, 132 times 12 equals 1,584. 23. A machine can produce 240 bottles in 6 hours at a constant rate. At the same rate, how many bottles can it produce in 9 hours? A. 320. B. 340. C. 360. D. 380. Answer: C. 360. Step 1. This is a direct proportion because as the number of hours increases, the number of bottles produced also increases. Step 2. Set up the proportion. 240 over 6 equals x over 9. Here, x represents the number of bottles produced in 9 hours. Step 3. Cross-multiply. 240 times 9 equals 6 times x. 2,160 equals 6x. Step 4. Solve for x. Since 6 is multiplied by x, divide 2,160 by 6. X equals 2,160 divided by 6, which equals 360. Therefore, the machine can produce 360 bottles. 24. Two trains are running towards each other on parallel tracks. Train A travels at 60 kilometers per hour and train B at 40 kilometers per hour. If the distance between them is 300 kilometers, in how many hours will they meet? A. 2 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 5 hours. Answer: B. 3 hours. Step 1. Find the relative speed. When two objects move toward each other, their relative speed is the sum of their speeds. Relative speed equals 60 plus 40, which equals 100 kilometers per hour. Step 2. Find the time it takes for them to meet. Time equals distance divided by relative speed. Time equals 300 divided by 100, which equals 3 hours. Therefore, the correct answer is 3 hours. 25. 6 workers can finish a job in 12 days. If the number of workers is increased to 9, how many days will it take to finish the same job? A. 6 days. B. 8 days. C. 9 days. D. 18 days. Answer: B. 8 days. Step 1. In an inverse proportion, when the number of workers increases, the number of days decreases. Use the formula. Workers times days equals a constant. Step 2. Compute the constant. 6 workers times 12 days equals 72. Step 3. Solve for x. 9 workers times x equals 72. Step 4. Divide both sides by 9. X equals 72 divided by 9, which equals 8 days. Therefore, the job will be finished in 8 days. 26. Convert 3/4 into a decimal. A. 0.25. B. 0.5. C. 0.75. D. 1.25. Answer: C. 0.75. Step 1. To convert a fraction into a decimal, divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. Therefore, the correct answer is 0.75. 27. A farmer has 17 goats. All but 9 run away. How many goats are left? A. 8. B. 9. C. 17. D. None. Answer: B. 9. Step 1. Read the statement carefully. All but 9 ran away. Step 2. Understand the meaning. The phrase all but 9 means that all except 9 ran away. Step 3. Determine how many goats are left. Since all except 9 ran away, 9 goats remained. Step 4. Remember that this is a tricky wording question, so read it carefully before answering. Therefore, the final answer is 9 goats are left. 28. Find the missing number in the series: 5, 10, 8, 16, 14, 28. A. 24. B. 30. C. 26. D. 32. Answer: C. 26. Step 1. Observe the pattern carefully. There are two alternating operations happening: multiply by 2, then subtract 2, then multiply by 2, then subtract 2, and so on. Let's check the pattern. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 minus 2 equals 14. 14 times 2 equals 28. 28 minus 2 equals 26. Therefore, the next number in the series is 26. Final answer: 26. Concept tip. For alternating number series, separate the sequence into two mini patterns, such as every second term. Common alternating patterns include addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, or increasing differences. 29. Find the next term in the series: 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, 7/8. What is the next term? A. 9/8. B. 9/10. C. 8/9. D. 10/12. Answer: B. 9/10. Step 1. Observe the pattern. The numerators increase by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The denominators also increase by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Step 2. Continue the pattern. The next numerator is 9, and the next denominator is 10. Therefore, the next term in the series is 9/10. 30. Find the 5th 10th term of the arithmetic sequence: 4, 7, 10, 13, and so on. A. 43. B. 45. C. 46. D. 49. Answer: C. 46. Step 1. Recall the nth term formula for an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Step 2. Identify the given values. A sub 1 equals 4. The common difference, d, equals 7 minus 4, which is 3. N equals 15. Step 3. Substitute the values into the formula. A sub 15 equals 4 plus the quantity 15 minus 1 times 3. Step 4. Simplify. A sub 15 equals 4 plus 14 times 3. 14 times 3 equals 42. 4 plus 42 equals 46. Step 5. State the result. A sub 15 equals 46. Therefore, the 5th 10th term of the arithmetic sequence is 46.